Good morning, everyone. Morning, Atamarakima. Today I'm gonna read one of preschool's favorite book, My Daddy Snores, by Nancy Rothstein. On Monday, Daddy snored boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hugged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So, she slept in the bathtub, but the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hemi's cage, but she was too squished and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy snored buzzed like a bumblebee. Zzz, zzz. So Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead very loudly. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snore loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy snored honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hemi slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I love more ice cream. Oh, poor Mommy. Alright, I hope your daddy didn't snore that loud at night. Have a good sleep. See you next time. Bye.